Hi my fellow queens, welcome back to my channel. For everybody who is new, I'm so glad you found me. I'm Leorah and this video is a wrapping tutorial for my Regal Double Twist. So this is how it looks, and it is again a video in a series of two shapers, one look, and I hope you will enjoy it because the tutorial for the smaller version is coming right up. Besides that, this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel. You will find all the information and everything that I'm wearing linked in the description box. You can feel free to check it out. And besides that, if you're interested in how I got all of this done, then just keep on watching. Hi again, let's get started. I'm wearing the signature shaper, and before we start, actually, I want to just mention that all of the things that I'm showing or wearing today on my head are sponsored by Wrapunzel. They have been sent to me, and you will find all of them linked in the description box. Also, if you feel like you want to use my code, I have one with Wrapunzel which is affiliated. So you find that information in the description box as well. Okay, I'm wearing the signature shaper and let's get started. I will use my original 2-in-1 in teal, and I'm placing this down, both ends hanging down equally on both sides. Placing it down like this and tying it in the back. Like that. Now I'm taking my shimmery in gold, very regal, and because this is a smaller shaper, I am folding it in a little bit because you don't have to cover all that much with a smaller shaper. So folding it in a little bit and placing it down a little bit further back so you can still see the teal. Of course, you can do that with whatever color you want. And then I'm not binding it in the back. Let me just show you how it looks from the back. So I'm placing it here just so it covers the bump, okay? Nothing more. Okay, now I'm holding it like this and I'm starting to twist both strands forward, like this. So it tightens around your head. Don't worry if it moves a little bit, you can always adjust that. So once you have the feeling it is nice and close to your head, you take them into one hand like this. You reach back and take the teal, the 2-in-1, and feed it through between those two golden strands like this. And then you take it to the other side like that. Then you do the same thing on the other side. You bring the teal 2-in-1 forward and feed it through to the other side. Okay, now I can see that I did not put them down equally hanging down, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Like this and like that. Okay, now you cross both of them like this, and then you grab the teal one and twist those as well. I don't think it makes a difference in which direction you twist. And then you just tie it in the back. Now, if you use a bigger shaper, you have a little bit more options in how to tie it, and I'm going to show you in a second when we wrap the bigger shaper. So let me just show you how it looks from the sides and from the back, like this and like that. Okay, so just so you know, all my things that I'm designing or coming up with are basically meant for big shapers. That's how I design my looks, and then I just when that works, I try to make it fit to smaller shapers. let's just put something on in addition. That's the Tiger Lily clip. So let's just put that on and be very, very glamorous and sparkly. Anyway, maybe I should place it a little bit further to the back. Maybe like this, that's better. Anyway, so yeah, I'm designing everything to fit my bigger shapers, and then I'm trying to downsize it to the smaller ones. So you will see in a second how different it looks with a bigger shaper. I do believe that most of the wraps, and that's just my personal taste, look better with bigger shapers. But like I said, you try it out, and I'm just trying to show you that everything is possible. You can always make everything work. Okay, we're back. The Wendy shaper is on. As my regulars know, this is my absolute favorite. This is what I wear every single day. And this is where I design my wraps. Okay, so let's just go through the same thing. And this time I'm going to try to actually make this hang down equally. Okay, I'm placing this same way over, flip it towards the back, and tie it in the back. And now I'm taking the golden shimmery and place that down as well. And this time I don't need to really flip in anything. Just placing it down so it just covers the bump. And then I start twisting towards the front. I'm just twisting towards the front because it is more comfortable to twist like this. I'm sure it works also the other way around. Okay, now it's tightening nicely around my shaper. Like this. Okay, now I'm holding it like this. I'm reaching back, taking the 2-in-1, feeding it through between the golden strands, and flipping it over to the other side. Switching hands, doing the same thing on the other side, bringing it to the front, feeding it through from underneath towards the top, and flipping it over to the other side. Are we good? Now I'm crossing the golden strands over like this. I'm grabbing the teal 2-in-1 and I'm twisting those together. And now what you cannot do with a very small shaper, what I think though looks really, really cool with a bigger shaper, is that you don't tie it downwards like this, but what my intention was is that I tie it backwards, like in a straight line backwards, like this. You see? And then it hangs down like a ponytail, which is really, really cute. Like this. Don't worry about the fringes. If they are hanging out on the sides, you can always tuck them away, or you can leave them out because it's cute. So anyway, this is how it looks. So I think this is really, really cool. And I do believe, because I've tried it out in different variations, I think with two unicolor scarves, it looks the best if they are not the same texture. Of course, they can be the same texture. You can also use like two different colored 2-in-1s if you want that. But I do believe that with one shimmery and one more simple scarf, it looks immediately with the shimmery, it looks regal, and I love that. So that's what I went for. And what do you think? So let's just add the Tiger Lily clip here, like with the other wrap. And there you go. The look is finished. And like I said, I'm really going for this. I love how it swings around when I'm moving my head, and it's it's just playful, and it's still classy, and it's still sort of regal. So there you go. This is my Regal Double Twist. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm really trying to do this two shape or one look kind of a thing for you, even though, like I said, I'm designing my wraps always according to bigger shapers. But there you go. I hope it works out for you. As always, you can leave your comments and questions in the comment section down below. If you are new here, I would really love it if you were to consider to subscribe, because why not? It's just a very good place to be. And I love you being here. So, with all that being said, I just want to invite you to come back next time for my next video. If you are interested in what I'm wearing on my face, my makeup, and all of this, all my social media, you find all of that in the description box. And do me one favor. Up until next time, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.